it's throughout the day, maybe we have some time. We can spend some time to discuss or speak English in a daytime also. So if you can make some opportunity in this platform to connect with some people and someone to speak in English at least 5-10 minute sessions, so it's will be better for us. So it's like no need to wait until open these breakout rooms. So you
Kasun,
can.
I just want to tell you something.
Yeah.
Your English knowledge is very good. I
Yeah.
think I can feel it because you are speaking English more than me. I can feel it. Honestly, I'm telling. Okay, good
Actually,
luck for you.
everything
Good luck
actually,
for you.
yeah,
The-
I had some knowledge.
Those who
Uh,
are participating for this, that we have that 13
yes,
participants now.
yeah.
So even you can also recognize about that one.
Uh,
So
uh, Mr. Dar,
you
actually,
can you
this is
can.
the opportunity I got in last month
Mhm.
to at least come to this place. I know to improve more than so
So
this
other
place.
students, Kasun is the best example for you. So Kasun, just share that how the way you have improved your English knowledge. So you have
Uh,
some
it's just like
you have done some practices, no?
yes. Do you want me to
So
explain this now or
no, if you want, you can share with others now also because see what's the time now that
yeah?
11, it's all
11:15,
see
12 past 11.
yeah. So it means that they need something to learn.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
that's why they are waiting. Still they are waiting. So
Mm.
Kasan, you just share it.
Yeah. Honestly, the way we have that vocabulary, everybody having that same. The vocabulary and the words and phrases. Everybody know those things. Know those things. But the problem is the words are not coming in properly because I have a limited vocabulary. It's like maybe 1,000, 2,000 words. But the reason is we don't have practice how to the pronounce words and how to use these phrases in at the proper way in the correct way in the correct places. And other thing is words are not coming freely. So what I use first, I use that when I was discussing with my colleagues in this group. I already, after 11:30, there were only 2-3 members in session. So I use that. I already always selected the topics which I have much knowledge. It's like my field or it's like economy or whatever the education or the nature. I mean, if I have enough sufficient knowledge regarding those things, I can speak freely. Then only we can improve because if we have the technical words or whatever the related words, we can speak very freely. This is the way I practice this one in these classes. So then if I practice, like if we practice anything, any speech or 5-6 times, we can speak that those things very freely. Then we can move to some other topics or whatever the we like. We don't have any much idea, or we don't have any the details. We can ask. We can find that those details from internet, and also it's like so. If we, the search gives some topic or some point or whatever the PDF. Just before I start those sessions, I'm always going to the internet and find some extra adding words or phrases to discuss those matters in the classes. It's like if you yesterday we got one PDF to discuss how to sell or how to buy. So beyond that, we need some additional words or details to discuss that matter. Not only just read those the PDF and just ask the question, and nobody want to remember those things in mind. So to discuss, I mean, if we discuss only one sentences, this idea won't go to our mind or the to us. So we need some extra details. So another two three sentences to discuss this matter, and we can capture at least 2-3 words by that one. So that is the way I practice this one. The other thing is listening. So it's better you listen some English channels or something. So then we can at least we can improve our but the pronunciations. It's like in Sri Lanka. Let's say if we can communicate with the Sri Lankan people very well, but we cannot communicate with the foreigners. That the problem is we don't have that good listening power. That is the reason. So at least we can listen those English channels or news letters or the other things I use. The morning I'm trying to read aloud the news sites. So at least we don't know that the technical. Then that is the platform we can earn some technical knowledge or some related things for related topics. So that's why that's how I did in past 2-3 weeks to at least to improve English a bit.